Hello everyone and welcome to this Thinkific review. Should you use it? We'll be taking a look at the features, pricing, pros and cons, and this will keep you informed. We have the link to Thinkific in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. Thinkific is an all-in-one platform for creating, marketing, and selling online courses, communities, and digital products with ease. It offers an intuitive drag-and-drop course builder supporting various content types like videos and quizzes, and it provides customizable websites and landing page templates. It has key sales tools which includes coupons and product bundles, while student engagement is enhanced through communities and progress tracking. When it comes to the pricing, Thinkific offers several plans with annual billing or monthly billing, providing significant savings. The basic plan is at $49 per month and it offers unlimited courses with one community and custom domain. Then you have the start plan at $99 per month, and this adds unlimited live lessons, unlimited memberships, and HTML and CSS editing. Then you have the Grow plan at $199 per month. It features 3 communities, group orders, and advanced commerce features. The Plus plan is at a custom pricing, and this is great for enterprise level needs. You'll need to contact sales in order to get your quote. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, on the bright side, you have ease of use, no transaction fees, scalability, comprehensive features as it is an all-in-one platform, and a responsive and helpful customer support. On the flip side, with the cons, it has limited design flexibility as websites and templates can be restrictive. You have a basic funnel builder as it is less robust than dedicated tools. And there is no live chat support as support primarily is via email or phone. In conclusion, Thinkific stands out as an excellent all-in-one platform for creating and selling online courses and digital products. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive features, and strong customer support makes it a top choice for both new and experienced creators. Despite minor limitations in design flexibility, its overall value and absence of transaction fees makes it a highly recommended solution for building a thriving online education business. So don't forget to check out the link to Thinkific in the description below so you can enjoy these services. And do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.